guys, welcome back. We are here again with yet another subscription. I didn't realize like how much footage I could have if I just filmed all of my subscription unboxings. This one's gonna be a raw one though. This is the Sephora Play Box. I'm excited to open this one. This one is basically, besides, I'm not gonna tell you what my favorite one is. This is pretty much close to my favorite. It just depends on what they have. I actually don't know anything that I'm getting this month. Usually I look at the email because I'm like, probably not gonna film it, but since we're on a filming roll, let's do this thing. I literally just got this in the mail about an hour ago and I was like, let's get it going. All right, so let's open it up. No waiting around. Let's just do this thing. All right, here we go. When you subscribe to Sephora Play, I don't know if there's a waiting list right now or not. Let's hope there's not. You get a card inside of your package every month that gets you an additional 50 points if you go shopping within the month that you receive it. So I'm probably going today. Let's open this up. It says 2018 Happy New Year. I never use these bags. I think that they're really pointless, but what do we have first? Squeezy. Oh, okay. This is the, I think there's another one. Caviar CC Cream 10-in-1 Complete Correction Leave-In Hair Protector. This is a foil packet sample of a leave-in hair conditioner. Obviously, that's what it is. I'll definitely give this a try. Hopefully it has a couple uses in it. It says, provides 10-in-1 benefits for complete moisture, shine, smoothness, softness, UV protection, manageability, strength, anti-breakage, heat protection, and a light hold. Well, as you can see, I didn't even get to the part to style my hair. I just dried it today. That's just one of those things. I was like, oh, I spent so long on my makeup, like I can't even go on to hair. Okay. Next we have, oh, you know what? This is a secret of mine. I don't know how to say this brand. Is it Loctane? Oh my gosh. Is it Loctane? I can't believe I don't know how to say this. I've seen people say it a million times. I don't know how to say it. Can somebody tell me in the comments? That would be really, really nice of you. This is their Amande, oh geez, it's all French, milk concentrate. It's probably for your hands. Okay, so the next thing I got is, oh, Nars Lipstick. Orgasm. You know what? I don't know this shade. If it's a nude, I'm gonna pee my pants. If it's close to being like Nars Orgasm, I'm gonna be happy. Oh, it is. It is. It's a peachy nude. It's basically the blush. Look at that. That's basically the blush in a lipstick form. Kind of weird. You could do a monochromatic look with that. Interesting. I'm excited to have that. Thanks. Thanks, Sephora. I don't know why I'm thanking them. I paid for it. Ooh. This is the Clinique Pep Start Eye Cream. I've always wanted to try this. Or is it the blue one? I don't know. But it's barely, it's like halfway full. It's terrible. What a terrible size. It didn't even fill it up. It's gonna be fun. Always wanted to try this thing. Ooh, alright. We got the Glam, I feel like I've gotten this before. Maybe not. We got the Glam Glow Super Cleanse Clearing Cream to Foam Cleanser. Made in Hollywood, California. Cleanser, cool. I would have rather had a mask, but that's fine. We'll deal with what we get. Oh, I don't have this. This is new. This is why I don't have it. The Smashbox Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer. It's a primer plus moisturizer in one. It has hyaluronic acid and another thing that I don't know how to say. What? Wait a minute. Ooh, it feels good. I will definitely try that. I didn't mind their like priming oil. It wasn't bad. Anything at the clear swatch. What? This is kind of weird. They didn't send a perfume sample this time. Well, weird, strange. Nope, not supposed to get one. I guess they stopped doing that. Anyway. Oh, I'm underwhelmed. That's for darn sure. I must say I do like the Nars lipstick. I've always wanted to try the Clinique Pep Start, but I mean, I can try it one time. See if it knocks my socks off. A lot of money in subscriptions a month, and I feel like this month is just like, what's going on, January? Supposed to kick this off with started off with a bang, and it's just kind of a bummer. There you got it. It's my raw unboxing of my Sephora Play. That's literally what happens in my living room when I open it up. Either I'm like, yeah, cool, or cool. Nice try. Oil packet. $10 a month. These two things are exciting. Didn't know this existed. don't know that it'll look good on my lips, but we'll try it, and I get to try this one time. Till next month's Sephora play. Well, that does it for this video. Thank you so much for watching my raw unboxing of my Sephora play. Let me know what you got in the comments. If you got something like you've always wanted, or something you really don't like. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and also all my other information for my social media links is in the description box, along with my Ipsy unboxing and my Ipsy BoxyCharm unboxing. Alright you guys, I will see you real soon in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Have an awesome day. Bye!